What's good, guys? What's good, everybody? I hope we're good, man. It's a beautiful Thursday. Guess what's happening tomorrow? Guess what's happening tomorrow? We have our first 3-day bootcamp for DCA. So excited about that. So excited about that. And we are sold out, means that we don't have any seats, apparently. Not knowing how you can squeeze yourself for that, but it's going to be an exciting bootcamp tomorrow, right here. And everybody who signed up, I think, already has gotten admission emails and all of that. I think my team will send out all of that, so I think it's incredible. It's going to be a beautiful day tomorrow. So it's tomorrow and Saturday and Sunday. It's crazy, man, crazy. I know you wish you were here, but it's just too late. It's too late, man. Could have joined when we actually put it out there. And it's sold out. Yeah, it's sold out. Really sold out. Someone says, how are you, Mr. Nas? I'm good, man. How's it? Are you good? I didn't see this live stream coming today. No, man, you will not see any of the other live streams coming. All right, like I told you, you need to always just stay glued. All right, you always need to stay glued. Just turn on notification bell and all of that stuff, right? So you can always, you know, be notified about these streams, right? Yeah, I won't talk about it like I used to, like, hey, we're gonna have a stream today and what. No, man. I don't think it's. You guys already know we always have a stream here, right? So I always break down charts and I just always come here and just, you know, just interact with you guys here. Yeah, so let's do a Q&A and also look at NASDAQ. We have about like 29 minutes to the open of New York session, right? Yeah, so we have about 29 minutes. Let's see if we can look at New York Open together. All right. But again, if we're going to do that, you guys might need to drop some likes to this live stream for me to be here till then. Right. So I'm going to give you guys an idea, of course, based off like what I'm seeing here. All right. It's a 4-hour time frame. All right. So I'm going to give you guys ideas of my expectations and all of that. And I know people who's always excited to just trade New York Session Open, right? I mean, the catch is not really only about the Open. The catch is to understand the volume that, you know, the Open comes with, and also just know when to trigger the button, like when I'm gonna make a trade and all of that, right? So the catch is not really like, hey, it's an Open now, so I'm gonna get in. No, it's not about that, right? It's not about that. It's really not about that. How can someone join the bootcamp? You can't. Right now, you can't. Right now you can. Maybe hit up the link in the description. Maybe you could, but I don't know. Maybe you could. Just try, you know, maybe you could. Good afternoon, sir. I'm good, man. How's it? Royd, analysis for gold, sir. No analysis for gold today. Make sure you like the stream. Yes, let's all make sure we like the stream right about now. Let's do that right now. Anyway, this is now stuck on a 4-hour time frame. One thing for sure I know is that we have a resistance level that's being created somewhere here. Did you guys see it? A very beautiful resistance. And trust me, this is a bearish market. You want to argue? Yeah, fine. Don't argue on this stream. Okay. It's a bearish market. All right. Look at where markets are coming from, right? They did range here. You guys see it? They range somewhere here. Okay, so they did range here. They create resistance and they create support, and they broke that support, then they came down with massive volume, right? The same thing kind of like is happening here, all right? I kind of feel like maybe because there's a resistance here that's been created, there's support there, right? Market's been ranging in between here. Overall, long term, if they break this range downside, I think they're gonna flip to the downside, right? If they break this resistance level upside, they could flip to the upside, right? And see a market going to the upside like that. But currently, what I'm saying is a very bearish market. It's just an issue of timing, trying to see exactly where you can push in an entry. Right? Who traded CPI yesterday? I know for a fact that today, I think we did have PPI. I don't trade that stuff. It's not so volatile. But we had PPI today. Let me do today. But yesterday we had CPI. Did you guys trade CPI? Anybody traded CPI yesterday? Did you do that? And how was it? I mean, I sent out trades to the Signal platform. I sent out trades to my free Signal group as well. I sent out trades I gave instructions to our community on Telegram as well. Everybody knew what to do before time. Right, it was an incredible one. We caught that beautiful CPI. Let me show you guys that. Anyway, let me show you. This was a CPI trade that we caught yesterday. Was it a buy? Yeah, it was a buy. So this was a trade, right? You can see I sent this trade, I think, around like 2:30. No, 14:27. 14:27. That's like 3 minutes before CPI. So that was incredible. Yeah, and we hit TP1 and 2, and we didn't get to hit TP3. Of course, price didn't really see the need to go all that far, but it was a beautiful CPI, right? Let me also show you that we actually have a Signal free channel where I sent out a trade here as well yesterday. Look at that guy throwing money. That also means that we caught it, right? But check, the thing about this platform is that I also gave the chart breakdown for it. Do you guys see it? Yeah, if you are part of it, probably you saw it, but if you're not, please, I'll put a link in the description as well. You can join this platform. You just need a funded account, because we don't trade demos in here. We don't waste each other's time. Fund your account and, of course, be able to join, right? So yeah, that's how it works. But I told everybody to pay attention to the chart. Based on my critical analysis, 300-point move to the upside here is what could happen with recent reduced commodity pricing, right? I looked at oil pricing reduced. So I figured out, okay, fine. I think CPI could actually turn out negative. That's not the only thing I looked at. There's a couple of things that you can look at around CPI, but that was like a most important factor for me yesterday, right? And I looked at a negative report and, came out negative, and look at this. Yeah, it was a beautiful push to the upside. Today, I haven't taken any trades so far. Maybe my first trade could be with you guys here on stream. Let's see about that. Yes, I did. How was it? Did you make some money off that? Did you make some money off CPI? Maybe you blew your account. Someone's telling me I just got a challenge. I'm aiming to be funded. Let me see this guy. Okay, I have one of my guys also who got a funded challenge. Andrew, shout out to you, man. I saw you got 100K. If you're watching here, if you watch this, shout out to you. He got 100K. Look at this. Yeah, look at this guy. Let's wish him all the best. Let's wish him all the best. Let me reply to his message. This is really awesome. Wish you all the best. Wish you all the best. All right. Yeah, I hope he passes that. So one thing to purchase a challenge is another thing to also pass it. You can purchase a challenge and not pass it. If you don't pass it, you give money to these platforms that actually are providing this environment. All right. But again, the only way you can pass is to acquire information, right? Get educated, get solid information. That's the only way, probably, But we have a resistance level based off the 4-hour time frame on NASDAQ. Again, if you go down to like a 1 hour, okay, let's look at daily. Daily time frame suggests that we did create support, and I showed you guys this the other day. Was that a Tuesday? Yeah, I mentioned that we could create support, but maybe it might not really be that strong of a support, for as long as price does not break the high of this candle. All right, that also means that this candle, right, still has persisting volume for sellers, for as long as this high is not taken out. All right, maybe if that high is taken out, we can start looking for persisting volume for buyers. All right, I mean, this is just basic candlestick analysis, right? So we have a strong support here. Okay, not really strong, I mean weak support, and then price is somewhere here. I'm thinking maybe this move was a retracement across A and B. That's what I'm thinking. I don't know if it's done as yet, right? Could be done as yet, maybe not, all right? But again, it looks like it is done, right? If you pull out a fib here on a daily time frame, it just might be off one candle, right? So off that daily candle, it looks like price did come to 50 level based off the daily time frame, right? If you look at this, looks like price came to 50, you know, almost hit 61.8, but didn't really get to hit it, right? Do I think it's going to hit today? I don't know. Now, how we can actually know that is potentially go to a lower time frame, like 1 hour, 30 minutes time frame, right? And bear in mind, these are time frames for, you know, just mainly execution, all right? Just mainly execution, right? So if you go here, you realize that we have our resistance level here, our main resistance level. And I saw somebody in my community also, they drew something like this. They had I think they had something like, was it something like this? No, I think that was a 1 hour time frame. So yeah, somebody drew something across. So I think they used maybe like a line chart, and then they did something like this, right? Yeah, so they did something like this, and they're looking at that as some kind of like, oh, kind of said, okay, like that, some kind of like a trend line here, right? And I don't know if they think that this is a break off a trend line. It could be. I don't trade trend lines as much myself, but yeah, it looks like it if you draw it like this. I know somebody might draw it across like using the, you know, the wicks here, right? Some people do it like that. They use these wicks, right? Like, you know, that wick there, then they draw it maybe like this. I think that's the wrong way of doing it. That's the wrong way. Maybe this could be the right way of doing it, right? So this could look like a breakout or something. And if you're looking at like maybe let's say retracement across this move, maybe it could be something like that, all right? And then for sure we could say that price came to 61.8, did create resistance, came down, now it's creating support, all right? And I think for me, even if I take out this trend line, right, because I don't really use them, trust me, right? Even if I take it out, right, I would only make a decision based off if price is to break the low of this time of this candle. But again, if I look at the 30 minutes time frame, all right, it will be a situation like, okay, fine, price came up there, situation like this. We do have an exhaustion area here, right? But again, we also have like a support level. Let me make it more visible, right? So yeah, we have a support level here. Equally, I know we have a resistance level, which is kind of like somewhere here, right? But for the fact that looking at the daily time frame, like I said, I think I'm seeing more persisting seller volume, right, than buyers volume, right? Meaning that there's a high probability that price could actually go down than go up, right? So probability just doesn't mean it's a must, okay? Doesn't mean it's a must. Doesn't mean that, oh, no matter what, it's just gonna go down. No, it doesn't mean that, right? But again, also I had drawn a fib here. I took it out for a reason, but I drew a fib across this move, right? Which also suggests that price came to 61.8 and, you know, found some sort of like a you know, retracement around that area and could maybe continue pushing to the downside from where it is to somewhere down here. Where could you look for an entry? I think for me, right, to be very honest, I would look for an entry if price was to break this level, right, this support level here. Then I can look for sell. Yeah, just basically that. Nothing really crazy. Why do you wear FOMO so much these days? Well, I just want to, man. I made 1,000 yesterday. Nice. 700 rands. Nice. So I have a question. Please ask. How do you let winning trades run till it hits your TP? Because in my case, I'm scared. If you're scared, David, you don't need to be a trader. All right, traders are not scared. You need to hold your positions because of the confidence you've built around solid information, a solid skill set that you actually have. Right, you know you have a winning strategy. You know you win a couple times, so you don't need to be scared. There's no reason to be scared. All right, there's no reason. Just trust your style and hold those positions to TPs, whatever the case is. I'm holding a sell from yesterday. I'm on NASDAQ. Nice, beautiful. I hope markets do favor you. Yeah, I hope markets do favor you. Are there days you also lose? Yes, there's multiple days when I lose. You want me to show you that? Let me show you. Like the day before yesterday, I lost. Look, I took a 76-point loss. Imagine a whole lot of me that you came here on a live stream to learn from. I lose too. Yeah, I lost 76 points there. All right. And I think before then I had like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 wins. Then I had a loss again. Right. So loss, then 5 wins. And then after that loss, then I made it back yesterday on that CPI trade. So I lose too. Like, just, it matters how you lose anyway. You know, it matters how you lose. Yeah, it matters the points. It matters the percentage in terms of your equity deductions. That also matters. Yeah. That also matters. So it matters how you're losing, man. Let's go. Ask me some questions. I flow within those lines, right? If you don't ask me anything, I'm gonna keep quiet. I hope to join the next bootcamp. Yeah, just keep hoping to join the next bootcamp. Being a trader, you need to have some balls. Yes, Dems knows that. You need to have some balls. I'm in sales on US oil. Nice. All the best, man. So 15 more minutes to New York session open. Why am I saying London? To New York session open. So this bootcamp is going to be where? It's going to be here. It's going to be here, man. It's going to be here. Yes, it's tomorrow. Oh, it's tomorrow. It's going to be here. I'm still waiting for the recording on the mentorship meeting that we held recently. Really? Yeah, just make your follow up on the platforms you've been getting it from. Someone's going to respond to you. I also lost that day before yesterday. I was glad seeing Mr. Nas. You had a sell. Oh yeah. Markets look like they're coming down here. Let's look at gold, right? Somebody wanted us to look at gold. If we look at gold here, gold is flying. Gold is flying. I think it's still in a very bullish trend. I do still think so. The only way I can look for trade is if price breaks this level to the upside, look for more buys. If not, I wait for maybe sells below this level. But again, it's in a bullish run, right? So bullish run means that wait for price to maybe create support and buy, or wait for price to break resistance, then buy. Simple as that, all right? That's what it means. So like in this case, if you look left, ooh, nice. This is nice. If you look left, the next level is up there, right? But the beauty is that that level also has another level, which is somewhere here, right? Which, yeah, price could come back to, all right? So it kind of looks like based off the current market price is like maybe we're testing this level here or something. If you scroll to the current spot, yeah, price breaking off, maybe you have a little, how many points is this? Wouldn't be interested. 65 points, wouldn't be interested. It's a nice scalp, yeah, but maybe if you saw the move from down here, yeah, maybe early this morning, I think around 9, 8, 10 or something, yeah, price started pushing up. Maybe if you saw that. Currently looks like it's ranging now, yeah, so you need to exercise some patience. Don't trade everything and anything unless you see the right move coming up, all right? Yeah, so my interest is NASDAQ for now. I'm just so interested in seeing how things turn out to be here. It's not all the time that I take trades immediately at the open, right? I wait to have some confirmations here. The candle closes there, then I could look for, let me show you what I would look for, right? If a candle closes here, I'll put my stop maybe like, yeah, maybe like somewhere there. And then I'll look for like maybe a 1 to 3. But again, I know that my 1 to 2 already is like at my overall level, which is here. But again, if you look left, the overall target that after a break there could be this level here, right? So that also means if I go down to this level, I have like a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, right? Yeah, so that's the level here. But again, before that, I can just strictly look for 1 to 3 somewhere here. Yeah, so that's if we have a break below here. If we don't, would I be interested in taking buys? No, I won't be interested in taking buys. I'm not interested. Especially I saw PPI. PPI came out -2. And then we also have unemployment claims that's positive. I don't see myself taking buys. But I don't see myself taking buys. Yeah, so let's give this a shot and wait. Yeah, while we're waiting, ask me some questions, man. What do you want to find out? What do you want to find out? What do you want to find out? Any stories today? No stories today. It's just a serious mood. No stories. You guys love those stories, right? You guys enjoy these conversations. No stories today. How can I join your team? Which team? You want to join Man City? Or you want to join my team? People I work with. How you join Man City? You just start watching Man City. You just start watching Man City. What do you think, though? You just start watching Man City, man. Losing team. Oh. Just join Man City, start watching them. But if you want to join the team I work with, it's not possible right now. It's not. So how do you use FinVins? FinVins are basically, I look at stock performance, right? I think right now it's like maybe overshadowed already. Yeah, but I look at like just stock performance, what's doing better, are the big blocks doing better, the small blocks, it's basically stock performance, right? Because I know if you're trading NASDAQ, your attention is around stocks as well. You want to pay attention to how stocks are performing. Apple is doing badly today, Amazon is doing well, Google is doing well, Microsoft, Nvidia, most of the big ones are doing well, but let's see how market open comes out like, right? Because I have a strong feeling it might still go down. But I'm not really up for buys, to be very honest with you. Based off recent macros, yeah, I'm not really up for buys. But let's see. Looks like price is going up though, but let's see. When do you always host these sessions? It depends. I host them every week on different days. Could be Monday, could be Wednesday, whatever. Just any day. You know what you can do? Just turn on the notification bell to this channel. Then all the time we host the stream, you will be notified. All right? Yeah, you'll always be notified. It's like that. Waiting for part 2. Oh, part 2 of that challenge. Oh yeah, I'm gonna drop it. Few factors kept me from posting it. I'm gonna drop it anyway very soon. New York session opened at 2. Yes, the session started at 2, right? But as of present, the session open is at 3:30, right? Yeah, that's how things. 2 p.m. Yes, New York session started, but 3:30 is the open, okay, of the exchange. All right, you head over. What do you call it? The opening bell. Yes. So that was like pre New York open. Okay. What tool do you use to calculate points? There's a tool here. It's called Major on X side here. It's called Major. It's there on TradingView, whatever. So you just play around with it. Yeah, something like that. What do you think about FOMC? There's no FOMC today. There's no FOMC today. There's no FOMC this week. When is the next FOMC? Is it next week? I don't think so. Oh, it actually is. Yes, next week on Wednesday. We'll discuss that on Wednesday. I'll let you know what I think about that on Wednesday. I'll come live here maybe or something. All right? No stress. Where officers, I would want to come and do some consultation. We are at Sunshare on the 9th floor, but to come here, you have to get in touch with my team first, so you find out if they're here or not. You find out if we're here, but it's not all the time. It's not like a 9 to 5. We're here when we want to. Yeah, but yeah, you could find out when you want to come around here. Is this nas100? Yes, it is nas100. It is on a 30 minutes time frame. How is CPI doing? What do you mean? CPI was yesterday. CPI was yesterday, and we caught CPI. You know, the best thing you can also do is either join my paid signals, or also you could join like the free signals as well, where I can give you insights. Like this guy's getting insights as well. Not so many this week so far, but we have a long way to go. I don't know when next we're gonna close this platform, but let's see how we can actually help people first and foremost, right? So you can join. All links in the description, right? To join and all of that. All links in the description. When did you say is the online bootcamp again? Maybe, let's see. I don't know. I didn't say anything about that, but let's see. Let me look at my calendar here. Maybe first week or second week of April. All right. Yeah, first or second week of April, which is in about like 2 to 3 weeks from now. We're gonna have an online bootcamp. After this weekend's in person, we're gonna do an online bootcamp. Same information, same styles, same skill set, same everything, just different ways of presenting it. Yeah, should be helpful. Same jungle with 2 lions. One is starving, one is thriving. Oh, what the hell do you mean though? Let's wait and what NASA is going to do. Oh yeah, let's wait. Let's see. It's a game of probabilities. You could be wrong, I could be right, you could be right, I could be wrong. But the idea is to be able to actually capitalize for market movements. It's not about who's right, who's wrong, right? And don't rush it. Just relax. It doesn't mean that in the next like 7 minutes when markets open that we get an entry. I don't trade like that. I wait for confirmations. Everybody knows that. Those who trade with me. Thanks always for giving us your time and share top notes. Anytime, man, anytime. And I know for a fact that, you know what we're doing here? We're building a legacy, right? Beyond more than a business connection. Beyond more than, oh, there's a guy who does streams on YouTube. There's this guy is in Zambia. Beyond more than that. It's a legacy we're building. And we've been building this legacy since the past 4-5 years now. It's a legacy we've been building. Right? It goes beyond money. It goes beyond it goes beyond anything. It's just legacy, you know. It's a person living their lives as they want to, and you know, they're finding fulfillment in that. And for me, coming live here and actually talking to you guys is total fulfillment, because I know there's a clarity being brought to the table that I didn't have when I started, and somebody can just tune in here and be like, oh, he spoke about this. I think I have the clarity. Let me go do the right thing on my charts and make some money for themselves. Who knows? Maybe that money they're going to make could pay their fees. Maybe it could take care of the family. It could be the bread for the family. It could be the, you know, whatever the case might be. It could be anything, you know. But yeah, man. What's the charge for the online bootcamp? I don't know as yet. Do you see Fibonacci retracement levels? Yes, I have them here. Can I join your team on the video editor or graphic design? Yes, you could. But now send me an email to forexsupreme01@gmail.com. Yeah, I think there's an email somewhere. Just check for it. Send me your work. Let me see. Let's look at your work. Let's see what you've done before. Right, we need editors for sure. We need editors. We have a couple, but we need editors. We need more people to do the work. We don't mind bringing you on board for that. I hope you have a good work though. I hope you've done a good job. Yeah, so we could bring you on board. Have been following you since the days of Veracity markets. Oh yeah, back in the days, 2021. Veracity is one hell of a crazy broker. Nobody here should ever use it. All right? Is it still active? I used it for a short time when they were paying money, and then thereafter they started giving stories. So don't use that broker. Tell them I told you not to use it. Like some guy today, I was at UTH, right? And we're there with my wife, and you know, this guy, I'm not gonna mention his name. He actually told us, don't tell them I told you this. He says, you see the other place you've been going to, right? Where they actually prescribe this and that and all of these things. He says, please don't go there again. They have a very terrible service, you know, and you might feel like the person is marketing that facility, right? There's no marketing anyway. You know, he's just being frank, like, hey, okay, don't tell them I told you, but just don't go there again. Yeah, man, it's crazy. But don't go to the Veracity markets. Don't go to that broker. It's one hell of a broker. You know the broker you'd want to go to right now? If you are using any other platform, you can try out Exness. Yeah, I mean, everybody here uses Exness for one reason, that they can get paid within a few minutes, you know, sometimes hours, whatever the case might be. And they have mobile money back now, and executions is very fast. At least I've tried it out myself, and I use the platform. Even today, if I take trades, I'm going to use it right now. All right, so I think for those reasons, very reliable. You know, spreads is really tight. No overnight holding fees. 24/7 support. Yeah, I think this is what every person needs. This broker is better than any other brokers out there, pretty much because they've been in the game for long, right? They know what they're doing. They've been around for now. Is it 15 years? Yeah. It's been a long time. Why wouldn't you trust a platform like that? You want to trust a platform like CG Markets, who started the broker 2 years ago? we don't pay you money. You'd be like, oh man, oh, I'm gonna sue you guys. Where are you gonna start from? Where are you gonna start from? Anyway, broker issues, broker stories never end. Just pick your poison. Pick your poison. You want Exness? That's a better poison. You die a slow death. You're gonna pick any other CG broker, you're gonna die fast death. How about XM? You're gonna die fast death. Spreads is crazy, man. Go check the spreads. Broker has been around for some time too, but spreads is crazy. I'm not saying they're not going to pay you money. They could. I saw their office. The office is like this. When I went to Cyprus, the office is like this, and it's next to Exxon's office, and Exxon's office is like this, and their office like this. I'm like, what the hell? This broker makes noise online, and this is where they're found. Really? Yeah. Anyway, yeah. I mean, you just pick your poison. To be honest, just pick your poison. Broker stories it just never ends. Everybody's gonna support their own team. I support my team, Exness. For every other reason that I know, none of my people complains about the platform. If they ever do complain, their issues is always resolved. It's beyond issues of, oh, you know, my money would just went missing. You know, the candle that I saw here is just different from the other brokers. It's beyond such issues. It's nothing like that. So trade 245 now, man. Just don't do that. Don't kill yourself with such stuff. You're gonna kill yourself. You know, they have this whole volatility that's crazy. You know, like you open 0.01 lot on NASDAQ and you can make like 3,000 rands in a few minutes. Gimmicks, man. There's a lot of stuff behind that. I wish you knew, but story for a different day. Market open in 15 seconds. 15 seconds. Let's see the dances here. If we're gonna dance to its tune or it's gonna dance to our tune. Let's see that. So we are getting ready for tomorrow's bootcamp. It's gonna be very exciting. There's nothing really to get ready about, but anyway, it's just very exciting to realize that because everything's already in place and you know people's already informed, they know what to do, they know where to come and whatever. So just get ready for that. It's gonna be exciting tomorrow. Tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday. It's gonna be so exciting. I love my weekends spending time with my son. But this weekend feels like I'm going to spend it more with the people coming, which is very fulfilling for me too, because I have to, you know, I'm gonna impact people's lives in a way that obviously they want me to, or even beyond, probably just, you know, precept after precept. Those are brokers started by some kids in SA. Yeah, probably, you know. This candle is going down. Yes, it is going down. Let's see, can we time a good entry? Maybe and maybe not. We could also hit a stop right here, but let's see. We're waiting to see price break out of that range. If we could break, then we should be good. How do you manage to remain consistent? Education, man. Education. Get educated. Learn the right way to trade. All right. Learn the right way to do this work. Do you recommend one pair or multiple? I recommend 1 to 3 pairs only. Maximum is 3. That's what I mean. I did withdraw around 13, but up to now haven't received my funds. Is mobile money down again? No, it's not down. Maybe you used the wrong contact and they're trying to verify that. So counter check the contact. Right now I can place a withdraw on mobile money. I'm gonna receive it right now. It's still working perfectly. Just check how you did it. Can you draw mobile money on Exness? Yes, you can. Right now you can. What currency is this? This is not a currency. This is NASDAQ. This is NASDAQ. All right. This is no currency. So we're looking for a sell if price breaks this level, guys. All right. We're gonna be very patient. I might not really be here all the way till this happens, right? Just get it from me. I'm gonna leave here very soon. I have about maybe like a few more minutes, but yeah, if that happens, it's gonna be beautiful. So we can say if price was to break, what price point is this? This is if price breaks 490 basically. Yeah, 496. If you're looking for a bricklayer, I'm here. Okay. How are you doing, sir? I'm good. Great to have you here. Awesome. Jonathan, you've been missing in action, man. Where have you been? What time frame are you using? So 30 minutes time frame. I've noticed that the pairs move differently and certain strategies work better on other pairs. Oh, really? Okay, that's a good observation. But if one strategy that you've used for some time, you know, has sustained your profitability on maybe, let's say, one asset for multiple times, I don't know why it wouldn't work on that other. Okay, this thing is coming down now. I don't know why it wouldn't work on that other, those other assets that you have, right? I'm trying to see the pricing here too. So like this is 455. Okay, so I'm gonna put like my TP2 somewhere down here. Gonna be what, 390? Yeah, 390. If I get into the trade, I haven't yet. And I'm gonna lock in a TP3 at what price is this? Waiting for break here. At this price point is like 260. Yeah, 19260. Some guy approached me the other day. I made him at Eastback. Like, man, I have one question for you. This is strange, but I watch your streams. Maybe the guy is even here. How do you manage to just trade in front of people? Because me, you know, I would be scared if I was you. Like, man, losing in front of people is really is hectic. I was like, well, you probably, you know, you probably don't have the balls for that. You know, I mean, end of the day, if you have like a working strategy, the fear is not losing. The fear is to, you know, there's no fear actually. You know, the beauty is to obviously narrate the whole story to people so that they can understand that there's losses involved and much as there's profits also, right? So if you know your craft, there's no fear involved. I think there's no fear. It's just basically waiting for the perfect time to execute and you know, just doing the right thing. Lose rightly, take it. It's okay. Lost for the day. Move on to the next trade. All right. So yeah, I know people out there will be like, "Ooh, I think I can manage to trade with people." No, man, that's what building a community is all about, right? You trade with people and all of that stuff, right? Are you using US Tech X100 today? No, I'm just trading the normal NASDAQ. So to have access to that one, you have to use the MetaTrader 4. All right, yeah, that candle came down, now it's rejecting. I didn't take a trade. Don't tell nobody that I took a trade. I didn't take any trade. I didn't take a trade. All right, just waiting for break. No break, no entry. My question as well, or your question, how you manage to trade in front of people? You need some balls. I can share some with you. That sounds wrong though, but I can share some. Someone says, what's your take on the current Champions League? I'm happy that Liverpool lost. I was going to be happy if Real Madrid lost also, but at least I'm happy that Liverpool lost. That's my take. I can't say anything. My team is out of that league, so yeah, but I'll be happy to see Liverpool lose too. Very happy. I think I'll put out like a celebration. Maybe you got to like their couple and like just pop some bottles and like celebrate like, hey, this guy's lost. So happy that Real Madrid lost and stuff like. I want to be like you when I grow up. You're already grown up, Jonathan. You can be like yourself and maybe emulate me. But I love that. Appreciate that you'd like to be like me. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. Should we get into a trade? Should we get into trade? Okay, fine. I'm getting trade right now, guys. There we go. Ooh, took two trades, 2 positions. Yeah, but it hasn't broken yet. Okay, this is going to be like I can impulse execution, like impulse execution. Yeah, but I took 1 position. Let's see if this candle closes bearish, then maybe. I hope it doesn't reject on us, right? Because sometimes that can happen. Yeah, because this candle is very bearish on a 15 minutes time frame. But let's see the 5 minutes candle. This one closes like 3 minutes. If this candle can close bearish, I have more confidence. If it doesn't, oh man, it could reject. Yeah, so I just took 1 position for now. Yeah, just 1 position. And now look at that, it's rejecting. Oh man, it is rejecting. But I'll put my stop like around 19540. Yeah, I think that should be good. Is that no, is it 19540? No, that looks so close. No, that looks very close. No, not 19540. No, not that. It's supposed to be 195 what? 19.5 what? 19.590. Yes. 590. Not 19.540. Let me correct that. Yeah. That was going to be a very tight stop. Very tight. That was going to be a wrong stop. But it looks like this candle is rejecting, which is something I do understand. So some people is really funny. Like if they take a position like bang, 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 bang. All right. And, you know, positions like these ways, like, you know, you're just trading like based off a candlestick motion is very, very risky. This is what we call impulse execution. This candle can flip. Like it can literally flip and reject downside and go up and then go all the way to the upside. That's very possible. The only time I gain solid confidence, right, is when the candle closes. Yeah, maybe if it closes, then I'll be like, okay, we can add positions and all of that nice stuff. But right now we can't do that. We just can't do that. We're gonna just wait. Yeah, so it's one position to test the waters and see how price is gonna move it. How did you up your lot when you started? It's not really even when I started. I think I upped my lot some time way longer after I started. Yeah, I was using almost the same lot for the entire, like, let's say 3 years ish. Yeah, I believe mentoring is also a skill. How did you become the best mentor in Zambia? I don't think I'm the best mentor in Zambia, but if you think so, I appreciate that. There's guys out there who's maybe doing better than I do, but yeah, I'm glad you think I am good at that. All right, yeah, it's a beautiful thing. How did I become good? I don't know. I'm just me, man. Like I just it's, you meet me on any other day, I'm just gonna talk the same. I'm gonna give you the same advice. I'm gonna teach trading to you the same way. So I don't know how I became good. I don't know. It's just maybe, you know, maybe it's a gift, like you put it. Maybe it's a gift, and I never saw it. Maybe it's a gift. Love the fact that you're a humble person. Most of the time I preach about you to my friends. Really? Your friends should have heard a lot of stories about me now. They should have heard a lot of stories already about me by now. But I appreciate that, man. I appreciate you. I hope we meet someday, all right? And when I meet you next time, I'm gonna give you like $1,000. All right? I'm joking. I'm joking, Alan. Right? But I appreciate you. Appreciate you big time. Appreciate you. Yeah, candlestick motion still has like more minutes to close. Can't stress the margin that you have currently. No, you can't do that. You gotta wait for the candle to close. Yeah. Let's go. Ask me some questions. So look at gold. All right, we'll look at gold. This is still ranging, so you need to be very careful, guys. Like I mentioned earlier, this is capable of hitting a stop. High probability. Ranging in here. I only took that entry because there's volume and also the fact that it was an impulse entry, and I put my stop like somewhere here. All right, for that reason I took it. All right. And I'm hoping if this was to close bearish, then I can add more positions below here. But if it doesn't, I don't see the need because it could hit a stop. All right, so you need to be careful. All right, it's just, you know, one of those trades. But let's look at gold. Gold, ooh man, this is nice. But again, gold also, much as this is a very good break, you look at left and you realize that the next area of interest is very close. All right, so close. How many points is this? This is like, how many points is that? Like 34 points closer. But we discussed this also, like we were looking for buys and what and what. Right, it's good that buys are happening here. If you took the advice, I don't know where you entered from, but we caught the direction right because we're looking at, oh, it's gonna go up, maybe a break up here. But Yeah, this was going to be a very good impulse as well. If we took it like based off an impulse execution, would be something like that. Put a stop below that candle, and now look at where the TP was going to be. All right, crazy, because now you can put your TP like just weirdly anyway. All right, because you look at left if there's any area of interest. All right, now there is, but it's just here. All right, and look at that too. This could be a very strong level. All right, so you want to be very careful. Right, you can't put it like that. You just can't. If you did, well, there's nothing you're looking at up there. Whatever you're looking at, I don't know. But yeah, that was a very good call. Very good one. Yeah. NASDAQ, please give us the money. Hope it can. 15 minutes candle closes now. Yes. 15 minutes candle closes now. Closes now. Yes. Closes now. Ooh, man, we're in profits now. Yeah, we are in profit. Added one more position. If this week's down, ooh, we are gone, man. It's a blown up. But I hope you guys taking these trades with me. You know, I play around like this, but on a serious note, working, right? So just don't take me for a joke. Anyway, those who've been around here for long, they understand the energy, they understand what we do. So yeah. Okay, I took US Tech 100x100 on MT4 too. Check, same trade here. Look at this. Open your eyes and look. Look at the camera. Oh man, look at that drop. Look at that. That was a nice impulse entry. Did you cast it? Wait. you didn't cast it trade. Guys, this is the best water I've ever had. This who branded this? This is what? Moyo, right? Oh yeah. Moyo. It's a free ad for Moyo. Oh. Free ad. Free ad on the stream. Oh. Yeah, so you guys look for this. It's gonna make you win trades. It's gonna... I'm kidding. We hit a stop. I'll never drink this water again. We hit a stop. I'm never drinking this water again because I know it's gonna be because of this water. We hit a stop. I'm never drinking this water again. But there's not much volume. That's the thing. There's not much volume. Maybe when the candle closes, but there's not much volume. Not much. Still has a long way to go anyway. We have a break. Yeah, looks like. But man, as long as this candle hasn't closed, don't be overconfident. Don't be too excited. All right, could wick and go up. All right, you're my mentor. Really, BK? Appreciate you, but what's your take on people who say trading is gambling? Do you agree? No, those ones who say trading is gambling don't have the right information. They don't have the right. You know, gambling is something you do, and there's no much consciousness to, you know, your actions, in the sense of there's no precautions, right? We have precautions in trading. Precautions is you can manage your risk. You can put a stop, you can put a TP and all of that. Those are precautions. Gambling, you don't have precautions. The only precaution you have is if you put in this money, you know, okay, fine, this is gonna, you know, it's gonna go like that. It's gonna evaporate or something, all right? But we have precautions in trading. Right? Anything is gambling if there's no precautions. Like there's no way you can manage your risk. There's no education. There's no like a belt blueprint to become profitable. But in trading there is. In gambling there's nothing like that. There's nothing like, you know, I've done this consistently. The guys can tell you all of that stuff, but there's nothing like that. It's just maybe a game of luck, right? So we have that in trading. That's the beauty anyway. Oh man, sparked the entry. Oh, crazy. There's no much volume today. At the open, maybe they could be long term, but there isn't right now. Yeah, there isn't right now. Back to the entry. Crazy. Ooh. I hope this goes in our favor, man. We were excited 1 minute, now we we are stressed. Not stressed anyway. I'm just playing with you. What's your TP and stop loss level? My stop is at 20. No. Where am I getting traded? This is 19,590. Overall TP is like around this level. 19,2. What? 2 what? 19,240 or something. Yeah. 240 or something. I don't know if this is gonna take a while. I only have like 9 minutes here with you guys. Then I'm gonna leave you. We get back and get ready for tomorrow's bootcamp with my team, and we see how we can welcome you guys coming for the bootcamp tomorrow, and it's gonna be a vibe. About like 2 to 3 hours of detailing. Imagine sitting in a room and you are not just getting inspiration, like motivation. You know, like I started my business with 1 seat. You know, it's not about like there's no TED Talks here. It's just straight to the actual thing that's gonna make you money. There's nothing like, you know, guys, me when I started trading, you know, I started like this, and there's nothing like that in bootcamps. There's nothing. If there's anything like that, I don't know. There's nothing. It's just straight on drawing boards, straight on charts, straight on assessments, straight on looking at concepts. There's no stories, man. There's nothing like, you know, let me explain to you guys how I made money. There's nothing like that. That's so irrelevant. I'm caring so much about how a person can get concepts and make use of them. Right? I care less about how I've used those concepts and pretty much like the money I've made using the same. I care less about that. Those are stories for a different day, right? But when you get started tomorrow, it's just, you know, straight to work, straight on, just get to detailing. No much volume yet, guys, so just don't over risk. Yeah, candle looks like it's hesitating to move there. Yeah, but it has about like 10 minutes. If in 10 minutes it can close bearish, I know for a fact that if it can close, maybe the next candle might open, create a high, all right, and then start going down. So there's all that room, all right. Leave room for every time that markets can retrace, maybe draw down and whatever. Just always leave room for that. So don't like over risk to a point where your margin level is completely zero, and if markets retrace, then your trades start closing one by one. Don't do that, right? Don't do that. Don't do that. Let's all like the stream if you guys can. Still waiting for that part 2 video. Yeah, like I said earlier, there's only a few reasons why I haven't posted it, and I can't disclose those reasons yet, but I'll post it for you. Don't worry about that. I still have it here with me, and I just need to post it. There's a few reasons. I'll give it to you guys. Don't worry about that. All right, you learn so much here. That's my journey. Okay, just documenting how I was doing it. Simply that. For you to learn from anyway. But yeah, some nice money right there. Ooh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, man. Push, 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 push. Can you push further? Come on. Ooh. Pushing, man. This guy is pushing here. Where the hell did I get these figures, though? Ooh, look at that. Are you guys in profits? Are you guys in profit? Drop in the chart box how much you're making right now. Maybe I can stay here longer, like extra 20 minutes, if I can see how much you guys are making. Drop in the box how much you guys are making right now. Be true to yourself. Don't lie me here. You're gonna tell me you're making 1,000. Next time I see you walking and you said you made 1,000 here, and I see you walking on the streets, how much are you making right now? I've never seen Forex made this simple. Really? Yeah, we do that here, man. We do that here. Nice profits. Look, I'm up like here on this account. I'm up like $250. No Fugazi, right? How much you guys making right now? And then on the other account, I'm up like, yeah, a little 4,000 rands. This is just rands. This is just rands. Yeah. So free trades for you guys. How much you're making? That's the easiest thing you can do for me. Yeah. How much you're making right now? Loving the live stream. Oh man, the big man Eric is watching me. Good to have you here, man. You joined the drama here. Appreciate you, man. $20, nice. $32, nice. Part 2 of, okay, cool. I've never seen, okay, cool. What challenge do you think the Forex industry might face in the next few years? What challenge? You see, brokers are mushrooming from everywhere. I think that's one of the biggest challenges that I'm thinking is really gonna affect the whole lot of this industry, man. Like everybody's opening a broker every time they go to bed. Like we wake up the following morning, there's a broker around. Like a guy just dreamt of a broker and is starting up something. That's a huge challenge, and people still fall for everything and anything. They don't realize that there's, you know, credibility in sticking to maybe the old traditional brokers that have always been there and have kept on making things better. You know, so I genuinely think, to be very honest with you, that, you know, this whole broker thing, you know, everybody just opening up a broker. I see that happening a lot in South Africa. It's coming here in Zambia too, I know for a fact, very soon. People trying to open up platforms here and all of that, which they can't sustain for long. Maybe they could just sustain for the meantime. And look at how Jason's my friend, but I'll talk about, he knows that I'll talk about this anytime, right? Look at how Jason just held down alpha markets for, was it 2 years only, and he stepped down, and, you know, he says I gave it to somebody else, I sold the company. Who the hell? Do you know what that means? Like, do you know people's money is stuck on your name because of you people on that platform, because of you, because it's Mr. Nas. People want to trade on Xmas. Do you know what that means? You know, and you're just gonna say I stepped down and I sold the company. Do you really know what that means? You know the credibility that actually comes with that, you know, and what's really at stake if, you know. But anyway, anybody's gonna open up platforms every day. But I'm glad you guys take advice. Oh man, we're in lots of profits right now. Drop how much you're making right now. How much you guys making? Let's go. Drop how much you're making. I want to see more of that. If I don't see more of that, I'm gonna end the stream right now. I'm gonna end the stream. Ooh, look at this. I'm up 300. You guys need to open an MT4 account on Xmas. All right, you guys need to open an MT4 account. Right, MT4 account, and go look for this asset that I'm gonna show you here. All right. Go look for this asset. Let me show you this asset. How much you making, guys? Drop it. I want to see it. This was a pretty nice trade on the stream. We've had days like this lots of times where we come on stream and people still make some money for themselves, which is good. We've had days like this. This is, how many points is this? This is, I think, around 116 points. 116 points is really good. 116 points is really good. Someone says I'm making 25. Okay, cool stuff. $25. You mean? Look at that drop. Wow. Did we hit TP1? Yes, we hit TP1. Wow. Crazy, man. Crazy. We hit TP1. We're doing it live here with everybody else. Next time, fund your account. Maybe also join the free signals on days when I'm not live here. You can get the same trades on a free signal platform. All right? Yeah. If you want to pay the ones too, you could. If you want to pay for that too, you could. But on days when we're not live here, I send out similar trades to. Let me show you guys. Look at this. Let's see. Everybody's happy. Everybody's happy. Nobody has to tell you when is the right time to secure your money. You guys know that, right? Yeah, it's your money right now. Look, we almost like, you know, a quarter through to our trade plan here. So nobody should tell you when is the right time to secure your money. Nobody should. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. What a stream. What a stream. Look at this. Send out the same trade to the free Signal platform, right? It says VIP daily Signal. It's free, guys. The only thing you do is fund your account with $50 or more and send me proof, right? And you can get, look, I said sell here, right, at 15. The same time I gave you guys a trade anyway. So I said that. And we hit TP1 here, which is 1938, which is beautiful, right? Which is beautiful. And yesterday we caught this nice CPI trade all for free. Everybody's getting traded here. Much as also have my people on the Signal platform here, which is a paid one. They got the same trade too. All right. Yeah. Same trade. TP1 hit as well. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. What a day. What a day. From here. What a day. $58. Nice. $50. $76. 2,500 rands. 500 rands, $21, $32. Nice. No wonder you're called Mr. Nas. Did you ever doubt why I'm called? Who the hell do you think I got the balls from? being called Mr. Nas? I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you. Appreciate you anyway. Appreciate you. $900 rands. Nice. What a beauty. What a beauty. I'm thinking of closing some of my positions here. Yeah. Check out this. If you guys use, I was trying to show you guys something anyway before I can do this. If you guys open an MT4 XNAS account, and if you can check out this asset called US Tech 100X, right, or X100, right, you're gonna experience some crazy volatility. Very crazy volatility. The craziest volatility. I don't know why this is not happening here, but so right now I'm up like with 0.01, I'm up like $500. Look at that. Look at this. $500 right now. Right? Yeah, which is crazy. Ooh, this thing is tanking right now. Yeah. Can you do this every day? Join the free Signal group. Oh yeah, whatever else there, just join. I can't be live every day, but again, I try to be live every now and then. We were live. When was that? Tuesday. We gave out a trade on a Tuesday. We didn't really get it together here, but I think it played out there after, so it was a beautiful trade too. So if you can stay glued to everything we're doing here, I know Andrew, my man, is up already on his funded account. 2,800 USD. Crazy, man. Oops. Insane. 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 Wow. Come on, check out this. It's crazy. They kind of Where did I get this from?
You've been busy.
I've been saving?
Yeah.
Nah, how'd you come and see? No, it's alive still. I'm still on stream here, but look. I'm about to send this guy. What do you call it? It's the GIF.
The stickers. Been busy. Doing some work.
Oh. Wow. Okay, let me send him this one. Oh, is this one? It's happening, guys. It's happening. 100 rands. I'm out. Nice. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. What is the difference with US Tech? Because now the only difference is the volatility. The volatility there is really crazy. Right, so with 0.01 you can still, you know, make like a very huge amount in a very short space of time. All right. Yeah. Send me a message. Someone's asking, how do I join the free group? Send a message to I think there's contacts everywhere around here, you know, so you guys can join. I think there's a link actually, so you click the link in the description, and then you can send a message. Yeah, just proof of your funded account with Xness only, right? Yeah, and you basically join the free signals, right? So even though we're not live here, right, you guys still get it. You guys still get it. You guys still get it. I still haven't gotten my partnership agreement changed. Hit me up, man. We're gonna help you sort out that. Since I've missed the stream, I have to rewatch it. Nice, go rewatch it. But then the only challenge is that you're gonna realize you missed money too. You just didn't miss the stream, you missed money. All you just made $450 while driving. Wow, bro, did you hear that? This guy made $450 while he's driving here. Crazy. Yeah, you owe me, man. I'm just playing with you, but that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Let me put this on camera. This guy made about like, that's really crazy. That's really crazy. So we're live right now, and this guy made $450 while driving. Look at this on stream. We caught a beautiful trade right there. Look at this. Right, we have people like $58, $76, $18, $2,500, $21. This is live on YouTube right now. People make money on stream. This is really crazy. This is really crazy. Look at that trade right there. Beautiful. Guys, I'm out of here. Peace out. This is the end. This is where the movie ends. All right, enjoy your money, and I'll see you in the bootcamp tomorrow if you signed up, whatever the case is. If you didn't, I'll see you in the free signal platform. There's a link in the description, right? You guys can join it if you have an Xness account only. I'm in class, just bagged 1,000 rands. Nice, beautiful, beautiful. I hope you close those positions. These markets might go up and come down thereafter, right? Yeah, close 53, still running 64. Nice, nice, beautiful, 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 beautiful. Peace out, right? Enjoy the rest of your day. Trade safely, and money made is better than money you didn't make, right? So don't be greedy, right? Don't be greedy. I think I say that all the time. Don't be greedy, right? This is money you didn't have before this stream, right? So don't be greedy with it, right? Now that you have it, you know, just secure it, right? Peace out. See you guys on the next one.